Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. If you're coming for the first time, I am the person you turn to when you have questions about Gele, Auto Gele, Owanbe, Ashwebi, how to stone, how to bead. The list is endless. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to wash Gele. I have lots of videos on Gele. I have a video on how to sew, how to stone, how to bead. But then I thought when we attend Owanbe parties and we slay and we turn up and we have a full face of makeup, what do we do with our Geles, especially after they've been stained by makeup we had on? In today's video, I want to show you how to wash Gele using two different methods. You can use whichever works for you. These Geles that I have, let me show you. I have this white Gele. This one, the stain is majorly, this is not like, I was about to show you guys this Gele. I remember the adverts of not liquid wash now, detergents, where they will be like, works on tough stains, all those things, you know. They will now show you clothes that is very dirty. They'll just do one wash, and it's clean. This is totally off point, but I was about to show you, I just remember, so I thought I was going to share it with you. Anyway, so this is one Gele that I have here. I hope the camera focuses on it. It is a white Gele, and this stain is majorly from foundation, as you guys can see. So we're going to be hand washing this one because it is already soft, so there's nothing to lose there. It's already soft, as you can see. The second Gele is a little thicker. I'll put a picture of the last time I tried this. And this one obviously still has foundation on it and also gel. This is hair gel. I think I had this Gele when I probably did packing gel or something, or I had braids that I was using gel to maintain it. So that's what that looks like. We're going to be washing the two Geles using different methods. I'm going to be washing this with liquid wash. You can use bar soap. I don't recommend using detergents for Gele because the detergents are oftentimes really harsh. So without further ado, let's get straight into this DIY. Here we have a bowl of water. We're going to be washing this Gele first. And as you can see, oh my god, it is so dirty. Here we have foundation stain and here we have gel stain, and it is like super dirty. I'm going to be using this toothbrush. We're going to take liquid wash. Can you even see? So I'm going to drop that into the omi. We are doing this majorly for Gele that has like serious stain, and we're just going to gently wash off the stain. And as you can see, my sister is here, so if you hear her voice, pardon us. And as you can see, it is falling out, it's going off. This will take a while. And also, being that it is white Gele, I think you should be able to use bleach on it. So of course this looks like it's going to be a long process, which it will be, but in the long run, trust me, it will be worth it. Now the last thing you want to do is scrub this type of Gele with your hand because it will be soft at the end of the day. So I'm going to do this repeatedly until we have a nice clean. So we're going to take a section. So we're going to take a section at a time, and we're going to focus on it. So this will take a while to, of course, get clean, but as you can see, it is a lot different from what it used to be. Because I'm washing a white Gele, this will test your patience, so you need to be absolutely patient with it. The stains don't come off at once. Just take your time. Check our bathroom. Ask Mommy if she knows where it is. So this is the second Gele, and I already have it in water there, liquid wash, and I'm just going to hand wash like you normally wash your Ankara normal clothes, because the Gele is already soft, so we don't have too much. There's no wahala. No caramel to this one. So we're just going to focus on the, can you see this one is even a lot easier. The stain is already gone actually. Just dip it in water and wash. So this right here, we still have a little stain, and we're just going to wash like normal, and the stain is gone. This is not a ad placement for liquid wash or anything. That's why I'm not showing you the soap I'm using. So literally, as you can see, the stain is gone. So I'm just going to wash the rest of the gele, and then because you know that part got dirty, we turn the other side to use as well. That's for another time. And I'm just going to, and all those your detergents that will be lying to you that you'll say like 3 washes, it's gone. So we have that. So I feel like as a makeup artist, this is a service you can offer to people, you know, that is washing and maintaining of gele. Something some people should look into. Okay? Look into it, offer it as a service, maintaining and washing gele. So there's stain here, and I'm going to wash that off. So I'm going to dip the remaining gele in the water and just wash it generally. My next video about gele, I'm going to probably do how to starch gele or how to iron gele. So just show you. So I'm dipping the rest in the water. So I'm going to wash every single part of the gele. So to rinse it, you're just going to open the tap and let the water flow through. Don't squeeze it. To spread it, you're just going to obviously. So that's legit how you spread it. Just let breeze, let hair and everything. For the second one, so this is the second this is the second one, and I'm going to just have that here. So we have the 2 washed. I'm going to have to end this video here. So if you liked this video, hit that like button. If you found it helpful in any way, or now you know how to wash gele and you know just hair dry your gele, let me know in the comment section. If you have any more questions on gele that you'd like me to answer, let me know in the comment section as well, and I would love to get straight to them. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Damie Alabi, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.